Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71 and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, then go to the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Whitney. Then click on the information icon right here, click on edit, and all you have to do is to tap on this camera icon, and you can either pick something from the default pictures. As you can see, you can pick whichever you would like to have. You can pick some animals, sports, or whatever you would like to have. You've got plenty possibilities. Let me, for example, choose lion, but then you can also save it or cancel. I will cancel it, and now you can add something from your gallery, or obviously you can take a photo right now by tapping on the camera. I will pick something from my gallery, just allow it, and then select the picture. Now it's time to crop the picture, click on done, and this is it. Now just click on save to finish the whole process, and that will be all. From now on, once Whitney will be calling you, you will be able to see this profile picture, so you will be sure who is calling you. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily add profile picture to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.